make some key rings out of these slightly larger rocks I've got just laying around. Bit of chevron amethyst. Nice bit of amazonite. And I believe this was a bit of granite my son picked up on a walk. He's been dying for me to do something with it. So I said I'll finally get around to doing it. But yeah, this one's got a nice bit of purple in it and a little rainbow if I can catch it. Which way was it? There it is. Nice. So I think first things first, whack it on the saw for a bit, give it a little shape. Then the usual, take it down, grind it, shape it. So I've got my rough shape cut out for each one. Now I've already had a little trim. What I'm going to do first is cut the holes ready to attach the rings. Get a nice finish on those. Right, yeah.